Learning German, understanding separable verbs. Welcome to our video series on learning German for beginners. In this lesson, we will delve into a fascinating aspect of German grammar: separable verbs, also known as trennbare Verben. These verbs add a layer of complexity to the language, and understanding them is crucial for effective communication. Let's explore the intricacies of separable verbs together. Learning objectives. Before we dive into the details, let's outline our learning objectives for this lesson. Understand the %. Explore the Struke bei a sentence. Lern the Konjugationsfähigkeit. Familiariser weitere Separables. Separable Verbs Equation. Consisting of Fähigkeiten. Verfixanthervex. Altering Feminting bei. For example, stehen means stasten. Butonkom bindig sway off. It becomes aufsteh aningtichte. Structure and essence. Understandingals. Let's break it down. Conjugated verb. Typical placidation. Prefix. Placed at the end of spent. For instance, sistetam original. Shegit su pinthamai. Conjugated verb. Stet. Prefix. Off. Type of soft sentences. The position office verb normal sentence. Conjugate verbetient. Question with a model modal verbathistosen. Separable verbinity. Conjugation of fos verbabel bababab. Conjugatic separabverbals. For example, stehen, exti, dustest, or see, nested. Worsted, ersted, seestehen. Essential separables. Let's exploresibles, mitkommen. Takamilon, offren, tostop ebferen, hodpart, unrufen, tokolleinkaufen, tasha, laden, to invite a praktexis. Now, let's apply ukonwol. Creates intense wealth with wish once. 1. Gan urenswer content. 2. Thatch urenswer. Werg hanofstach. Conclusion. Congratulations. Uvagani dead vilisan. Keep practicing, and soon you walbings. Stay tuned for Mauritians. Danke Frushen. Thanks for watching.